Hello. This tutorial explains how to run model-driven development with UNICASE. In this tutorial, we are going to add a new class to the existing model and generate code for the new class. Open the core file, which represents the model we are going to modify. We will add a new class to the requirement package. The name of the new added class will be UserStory. Add the model element as superclass, since this is a requirement for UNICASE to be able to manage your models. After that, we will add one reference to UserStory. A reference is a link to another class. In this case, we will create a link called requirement. Please set the upper bound to -1. This means that the link has unbounded multiplicity. Keep the value of the lower bound to 0. After that, we set the type to functional requirement, which indicates that the link will refer to a functional requirement. Next, we add another reference to a tester, where we've set the type to user, leaving the multiplicity at 0 and upper bound at 1, which indicates that we can only have maximum 1 tester. Finally, we add an attribute called approved with the type Boolean. Now we need to save the modification that we just made to the core model and reload the gen model. The gen model holds specific information about generating code from the model, such as the name of plugin, where the code should be generated to. Select the gen model and click on Reload from the context menu. Then open the gen model and select the root node and choose Generate Model Code from the context menu. After that, select Generate Edit Code from the menu. While the first generation step produced the model code, which represent the entity model, the second step produces code for UI support, for example to display an icon for the new element. After generation, please select both of these plugins, Model and Model Edit, then right-click and select Source, and then Organize Imports. After organizing the import, select the two plugins and right-click, select Source, and then Format. For more details on how to configure the formatter, please refer to the modeling guidelines section posted on our developers wiki. Right-click on the model plugin and run it. This will start up the UNICASE. After selecting the leaf section and right-clicking the section, select to create a new model element. Now we can see the additional class called UserStory that we have just added to our model. Also, we can see that the UserStory instance now shows the attributes and links we added. Please note that all of this worked without touching the existing code. Thank you for taking time to view this tutorial.